I had to do a part 2 for this video. How to find plumbers, contractors using GoHighLevel Ads Manager. Like, who is Lola? Again, my name is Mitchell Alomar. We run a paid ads army, and I want to show you some of my ad campaigns. And I'm showing you this because you can reach out to us saying, help us with our paid ads. If this is any insightful, please reach out to us. If you have any questions, I'll help you out. My only goal is, like, if you want to hire us, you can hire us. But I'm going to give you everything, what we do and how I get customers. Okay, so here is my $297 offer. And in this campaign, you can see there's a lot of different ads. And within this type of ads, I have a lot of videos in this ad, but also you can see images. So in this ad, you can see offering plumbers, AI website, includes their meta ads, SEO traffic, and they're going to get an appointment setter to make 100 calls for them. So here I want to play some video ads for you guys. Okay, so this one is our best performing ad. I'm so excited to show it to you. Here we go.
So for this job with the emergency rate, it's going to be $400.
Daddy, you have 15 more jobs today. Call your brothers. You want more plumbing jobs using AI traffic? Fill out this form.
All right, and then I'm going to share with you our other ads. So the most important part is the retargeting. All of the ads, people forget about you, but they keep on seeing the ads over and over again, and you have to be funny in the ads also.
Daddy, you have 15 more jobs today. Call your brothers.
I just want to just show you just the water just going on the dress. Is like, what the hell? So you see the person sees this static image ad that they're currently scrolling through. And once they click on the ad, now I show them retargeting ads with the video, because people always forget what they submitted, but always be reminded, but add a little sense of humor to it.
Daddy, you have 15 more jobs today. Call your brothers.
So it's daddy, it's you have 15 more jobs, like the person wants more jobs. So we just keep on creating different versions. Let me play for you a lot of different versions and how I create these prompts as well.
Daddy, you have 15 more jobs today. Call your brothers.
It's the poop flying out. And just different versions.
Daddy, you have 15 more jobs today. Call your brothers.
So we experiment with different versions as well. And you have the 15 more jobs, but also you have the value. The value in this one, actually, I haven't even seen yet. We're creating way more. So let's check this out.
Daddy!
Sorry, kid. Looks like a major refrigerant leak. To fix this, we're looking at parts, labor. Probably going to run you around $1,500, $2,000.
You want more Contractor jobs, get extra site design, organic traffic? Contractor, call Lola today for your 297 traffic system. Get free organic homeowners today.
All right. By the way, we create so many different versions that sometimes the AI talks so quick, but sometimes it goes so slow. So we use Higgsfield, we use C-Dance 2.0, Mini. I have 15 seconds on there. And the reason is to create so much different variations. And sometimes even I leave the arrows in there. And this is our ad campaign from yesterday. So you could see that you could definitely crank up the budget and you want more contractors to reach out to you. It's way better than cold calling. Here we go.
Hon, this one's going to cost you at least $1,200 just for parts.
Daddy, you have 15 more today. Call your brothers. You want more Contractor jobs using AI traffic? Fill out this form and get a free website design. With Instagram traffic ads, we will give you an appointment setter. Contractors, call Lola today for AI traffic system.
Hon, this one's going to cost
90% of stuff you knew, but again, it's retargeting. Okay, so hopefully that helps out with oh, you know what? I'm going to take you in a live update, which one I'm updating. So, and I'm actually going to make a targeting for you on this call. Well, this video. So for me, anybody who's went to my page or engage with my lead, they requested a form. So anybody who has opened it, because I want to stay in front of them, who has done any of these forms, any Spanish or things like that. So, and I'll just, I'll just say in the last 7 days, maybe I really want to crank it up. So last 7 days viewed the Contractor ads. So now I'm staying in front of this person over and over and over again. So this person is, they're gonna probably forget, but I'm gonna say, you know what, you can't forget about me. So nonstop being retargeted, it's the #1 crucial thing that I'm very known for. It's to be in front of people. So yeah, if you want my ad campaign, so let me know, and I would share with you my snapshot as well for my GoHighLevel. All right, see you guys. Any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. All right, see you guys soon. All right, thanks. Bye.